The lighting industry is changing rapidly, and the need for assembly efficiency is more important than ever. As your products are facing increasing price pressure, you need innovative components which will deliver those efficiencies. Introducing LUMAWISE Endurance and Poke-In Streetlight Dimming Receptacle. What's unique about it? Fast and easy installation. An efficiency your operators will thank you for. 70% faster to install compared to our traditional dimming receptacle. Easy installation. Operators will not have to struggle with unwrapping and routing wires. Wire positions 6 and 7 no longer need to be cut off and terminated. No interstitial cable assembly needed to reduce wire gauge size. All fixings are done inside of the luminaire. LUMAWISE Endurance and Poke-In is the next evolution of the ANSI Streetlight Dimming Receptacle, designed to create manufacturing efficiencies and improve the profitability of your luminaire.